I'm recording. Curtis, wait up, I have a flat tire. Oh shit, book. Oh wait, no, there's no chance. Hey, Curtis.
Yeah.
This is just gonna go straight onto the channel, no editing. Ready? 3. Fall into the road.
Here we go.
No, I don't want to. Do it anyways, though. Wow, that was a cool trick.
Oh. Cool way to go.
Record one in.
So what we're doing right now, we're just going downstairs.
Just getting down.
We just got McDonald's. What'd you get, Chris?
Got a McFlurry.
They didn't.
Shit, I didn't.
I got a McFlurry.
I got a milkshake.
I got a Nestea, but you got a root.
Dude, okay, right now we're about to head back to play some N+. You'll see it in a bit when we get home. Ah. No, because we're still biking. No, I said you'll see that in a bit when we get home. I was talking about the N+.
Oh, shit.
No, but the bike ride is just... Yeah, I did. Ah. Oh! Dude, it's just the rims. My tire is gone. I'm just biking on my rims. Raina! Hey, Chief. I'm just biking on my rims.
Help.
Help! What's up?
It's not raining, guys. This is driving. That's halfway plus.
Yeah, I'm just on my rims. Check this, Curtis.
Oh, shit.
Fuck. Dude, my tires are done. Oh! Curtis, look at this.
What?
Look, wait. Shit, nothing happened. I did it last time. I did a drift. Look.
No way.
Oh, I did it a little one, but you weren't looking.
Wait, we gotta speed it.
No, if I go any faster, I'm gonna drift out. Curtis, look. Oh! Curtis, look. You ready? This is the one. Watch. Shit, it never works when you're watching. No, what happens is like it just goes to the rims and it just slides forward, but I'm angled.
Wow.
Like this. Oh! Did you catch a glimpse? Yeah, I did that for like 3 seconds straight. Fuck. Yo, N+. Dude, we're at 5 minutes. Yo, check this little trick. Oh shit, I'm coming in hot. I can't turn, I forgot I can't turn. Yo, hit him with one of these, Curtis. Hit him with one of these. Oh, I drifted. This thing is destroyed. Hey guys, so I've been biking back on this all day. Look at that.
You'll get equipped with a tramp so they know we're not complete garbage.
But we are complete garbage on the tramp.
Yeah, but it makes us less garbage.
Yeah, it's true.
Because we can barely bike. Like, I still need my training wheels, Chris. You know that.
Shit, you're right.
Okay, get one.
Wait, should we make, since we're trying to do a bunch of videos, should we make the tramp its own video?
Look at the tramp. Yeah, the first video is the tramp, not M+. I just found this. It's probably from my little brother in con. Check out this backflip.
I just found this trampoline in the garden.
Now, you want to check out my back?
Yeah, do a cool trick. Do a full.
No, that's almost the Fortnite thing.
Here.
Check it, boys.
No,
Boys! No,
I ain't gonna do one, boy.